Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and wait 2 minutes so airbags and electronics reset. This prevents accidental deployment. Next, slide the seat all the way forward and tilt the backrest so you can reach the 2 rear mounting bolts. Pry off the plastic trim covers at the seat base, use a trim tool to avoid damage, and clear debris in the track so bolts and connectors are visible and accessible. Once done, you'll be ready to unbolt without surprises. You'll loosen the 4 mounting bolts with the correct 14mm and 19mm sockets, alternate sides to relieve tension and avoid binding. Once the bolts are backed out, tilt the seat carefully and locate the connectors under the front center. These include seatbelt buckle wiring, heater plugs, and the occupant classification/airbag harness. Depress tabs and unplug each. Do not pull on wires. Support the seat's weight as you disconnect, so it doesn't tip and stretch. You and a helper should lift the seat straight up and out through the door opening, watching for carpet or trim that can snag. Set the seat aside on a protective cover. Before reinstalling, inspect bolt threads and connector pins, then reverse the steps. Plug harnesses, align rails, and hand start bolts before torquing to factory spec. Once done, reconnect the battery and verify seat movement and airbag indicator. If the airbag light or a fault appears, make sure connectors are fully seated and perform a battery reset. Recheck wiring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.